In this video, I'll show you how to redirect one HTML page to another automatically when the page loads. There are two main ways to do this, using a meta refresh tag or JavaScript. Both are simple and effective, and which one you use depends on your use case. Let's start with the meta tag. In the head section of our HTML page, we add this line: meta tag http-equiv equals quote refresh quote content equals quote 3 semicolon URL equals destination.html quote. This tells the browser to wait 3 seconds, then load the destination page. It's great for splash screens or timed redirects. When I open the page, it shows a message and then automatically takes us to the new page. If the user isn't redirected, we also provide a manual link as a fallback. Now let's see the JavaScript method. Instead of the meta tag, we use window.location.href equals quote destination.html quote. This works immediately and gives us full control, meaning we can delay the redirect, check conditions, or log something before navigation. Both methods are useful, and they're easy to implement in plain HTML and JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick and practical web development tutorials.